Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor, September 22nd. We do have things starting off lower for corn and beans. Corn down 2 3/4, beans down 15 cents this morning, continuing to sell off, much like what we had seen late last week. So here we are coming into the end of September. We're getting closer to harvest, and right now stretching out the next 7 to 8 days, no rain in the forecast. And certainly keeping that moisture away. That's going to help these crops mature a little faster. And we will be looking at some cooler temperatures, but certainly keeping that rain away is going to help. And we're seeing this selling pressure continue. So we are certainly hearing some good yields out of the south. Anybody that has been out in the fields yet reporting back some yields have been very good up until this point, and probably going to continue to see that, see some strong yields as we move through the next few weeks and really get into the fields and dive in to see what's out there. Looking at the wheat up 4 1/4 cents right now. Egypt came in and bought a cargo of U.S. wheat over the weekend, so just one. But what it's telling us, and we may see some more short covering today out of wheat, maybe some guys exiting spreads there, but really what it's telling us is that the wheat may have found a point right now that we're competitive with the rest of the world. So are we at that point now? We've seen a big decline for wheat. We know that. Can we get a little bit of strength out of wheat and maybe see some demand come in? Egypt buying this cargo from U.S., that's a good start. As I mentioned, it's only one. We've got to continue to watch to see if there will be more following. Now, we know the chart patterns right now, certainly for corn and beans, making new lows once again and pushing lower. Continue watching some of these charts on more of a technical scale, but specifically for wheat as well. You know, we've seen a very sharp decline for wheat. Can we see more short covering? We know the funds are short, and that may be something we've got to watch there. Looking at livestock, cattle, hogs, maybe a little lower start here for cattle and hogs. Cutout values for hogs down 68 cents. But we saw a strong move back there on Friday. Can we keep the strength? We'll have to see. But rallies right now probably selling opportunities out of the hogs. Cattle, on the other hand, we did see a 159 trade in Texas and Kansas. That's $4 lower. Box beef, though, down 117. Choice down 248. So giving a little bit more of a negative tone to start the morning. Probably going to see maybe a little bit lower opening here out of the livestock. Outside market, stock market down 38 points right now. You got gold down just $1.50. Silver's down though about 12 cents, and we've got the dollar about 7 cents lower. That's the other thing on the grains. Watch the dollar. The dollar very, very strong, keeping some pressure on commodities in general, but the trend still very strong and higher right now for the dollar. So we'll see if that's going to continue. That should be negative as far as commodities here as we go forth. So give us a call if you guys have any questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning.